Hi and welcome, I am here today with Realme 8 Pro and I'll be showing you how to customize your volume panel. First we have to go to the Google Play Store and from there look for an application called Volume Styles. Magnificent, install the first application that pops up. Okay, now open the application and then tap on this button in the top right corner. Give accessibility service permission, volume styles. Okay. And now agree that you're over the age of 16. There are many different options to change our volume panel. Let's for example go to Style Settings and increase the corner radius, slider length and thickness. Now if we try to change our volume level, as you can see the panel is very large and thick. Let's see what else we can do. We can change the panel position, so now it's going to be on the left instead of the right. And that's a premium feature, we can do that. We can also change the vertical position of the panel. We can make it right there or at the top. And as you can see, there are many different things to do to your volume panel, but I'm going to leave them all to you. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.